I've been using AI wrong for 2 years. And I bet you have too. Most people treat AI like a vending machine. You type in a prompt, you get an answer, you walk away. Problem is, vending machines don't make you smarter. They just dispense. Here's what I learned the hard way: the real superpower of AI isn't getting answers. It's having something to push back against. An infinite, patient, never embarrassed thinking partner. Let me show you 3 ways this changes everything. 1. The reversal. When you need a second opinion, don't ask AI to improve your idea. Ask it to destroy it. Say, "This is my plan for launching my newsletter." Tear it apart. Tell me every blind spot, every assumption that could fail, everything a skeptical investor would ask. This forces you to confront weaknesses you were subconsciously avoiding. AI won't spare your feelings. That's exactly why it works. I did this with a product launch plan last month. The AI pointed out my pricing was based on competitors I didn't actually understand. That one critique saved me weeks of wrong work. 2. The empty page. Writer's block isn't a creativity problem. It's a judgment problem. You're trying to write and edit simultaneously, and your brain locks up. Here's the fix: have the AI interview you. Say, "Ask me 10 questions about this topic." Each of your questions should dig deeper based on my previous answer, like a curious journalist. You're no longer staring at a blank page. You're just answering questions. And somewhere around question 5, you'll realize you actually have good ideas. They were just buried under the pressure of performing. I use this for scripts, emails, even tricky project updates. The AI becomes a conversation, not a command line. 3. The cruel reduction. You have a complex problem. 3 possible solutions that all seem reasonable. Analysis paralysis. Tell the AI, "I'm going to describe a problem." You can only respond with questions. No suggestions. No advice. Just questions that help me clarify my own thinking. This is the most powerful technique because it puts you in the driver's seat. The AI becomes a mirror, not a GPS. It doesn't tell you where to go. It just helps you see where you are. I used this last week choosing between 2 business tools. After 6 questions from the AI, I realized I already knew the answer. I was just afraid of committing. Look, the best productivity tool isn't the one that does your work for you. It's the one that makes you think better. And an AI that pushes back instead of complying, that's an AI that actually makes you sharper. 3 techniques: the reversal, the empty page, the cruel reduction. Try one tomorrow. See what happens when your AI stops agreeing with everything you say. If this was useful, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. Which technique do you think you'll try first? I read every single one.